We are told that we have to find the image of this point in this line is this one. So find the value of lambda. So can we say that slope of this line is what? Lambda square minus lambda plus 1. Lambda of, so okay, so what we did something wrong. We have a line, we are given 2 points. So what is happening? They are perpendicular, isn't it? So the slope of this line is what? Minus a by b. And the slope of this line is what? Slope of this line is minus a by b. The slope of this line is what? Y minus y1. So lambda minus 1 minus lambda upon lambda minus lambda square minus 1. This is the slope. If you multiply this with minus 3, it will come out to be minus 1. So we have what? Minus 1 into 3 equals to lambda minus lambda square minus 1. So we have lambda square minus lambda minus 2 equals to 0. So lambda is 2 and lambda is 2 and lambda is what? Minus 1. There are two lines possible. But what will happen when we do by different method? Method 2. Image of a point. It is something like x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b equals to minus 2 ax1 by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So x is what? This is the image. So x is lambda squared plus 1. X1 is lambda. A is what? 3. Y minus y1 is 1 and b is 1. So minus 2 ax1. We'll put this point in this line. We'll get something like 3 lambda plus lambda minus 1 minus 6 lambda upon a square plus b square, which is 10. From here we'll get minus 2 lambda minus 1, which is 2 lambda plus 1 by 5. So if we solve from here, we'll get from this equation and this equation, if we solve individually, we'll get lambda equals to 2. Now what will happen? By solving this equation and this equation, we'll get two roots, maybe. Maybe we get two roots. But we can see that for 1 lambda, this is possible. So out of this only, this part is possible, isn't it? So lambda equals to 2 is correct.